Guys, Assalamualaikum, Namaskar, and hello to everyone. In today's video is going to be very interesting, and in this video we are going to give a short review for the iPhone 11 that was in green color. I gave the video that was an unboxing video, and second of all, the things gonna change right now, and you are watching Amir Bashir Official. Guys, in my hands you are looking at the green color of iPhone 11. The back glass is of Gorilla Glass and the front is of Gorilla Glass with a scratchless screen. Both are like the screen that scratchless, they are made with the Gorilla Glass. Okay, and the interesting thing is they are using the aluminum series 700 for the ring. You can see this ring. And the interesting about the aluminum series 700 is that it is made up of the thin layer of aluminum. It controls all the body heavily, and if you drop the phone on the floor on the hard surface, then you can say that the aluminum series 700 is very renowned for the absorbing shocks, and the strength of the phone increases due to this ring. Okay, if you go on the camera and the other things, it will be lighter. Let's go on the screen and let's see what's inside. So if you look at the cameras and all the things, the sensors are inside, but I'm going to tell you about the release date of the iPhone 11. That is in the September 2019, 10th of September. Usually iPhone releases the all phones on the September 6th and September 7th, but unfortunately they delayed the iPhone 11 series and they released it in 2019 of September 10th. Okay, after all, if we talk about the camera, I will show you the camera on the screen, but if we go to the camera, both cameras are of 12 megapixel. The wide and ultra wide both are with the sensors and with the autofocus capability, the 3D and the panorama, all the inside. But if you talk about the camera, they are layered cameras inside this phone. Okay, layered cameras means that you have the lens over lens cameras. If we buy the phone in the low price range, the other phones on Android, they use one single lens, but in this camera and the front camera is of 12 megapixel with the laser autofocus. You can see the face unlocker sensor. This is the biometric sensor inside the camera, 3D biometric inside the camera sensor. The front camera is also of the 12 megapixel with the depth sensor, ultra wide, and all the things inside the single camera. Okay, if you talk about the speakers, you can see the both speakers over here. Okay, both speakers are here. They are fabulous, and I like the speaker a lot. So guys, if we go to the flashlight, okay, the flashlight is made up of the yellow and white combination. The Apple made that the flashlight, in fact, if you took a picture at nights, it will show you the real picture at day. Okay, it means that if you took a picture in day, the autofocusing sensor sends the lights and it absorbs the light and it took the picture. If you turn on the flashlight, the both white and yellow absorbs the outside lights and it gives you a real picture like the daylight. This is the best thing in this camera. And here the auto laser focus over here. Okay, I showed you all, and let's turn it on and let's go to the software versions and all the picture quality. I will show you right now, and let's see that how the face unlock works. So let's go to the Face ID and set up it, and let's see how it works. So let's get started. There's my face, and position your face over. Okay, so it's sensing my face. Alright, continue. And it's making a sound. Okay, that's great. Let's unlock it with my face. Okay, great. It's awesome. So guys, let's go to the display. Step by step we are doing the work very easily and very happily. So if you go to the display, it is of 16.1 inch screen into the resolution of 828 into 1792 pixels at the pixel density of 326 ppi. It means a lot, and the best thing I got in this phone is that Apple used the liquid retina display with I think 156 or above with nits brightness. I don't know about the exact rate, but if we talk about the screen sensing hertz, it's a 120 hertz. That is very appreciable for the Apple. That you can see if my finger is on the screen top, it starts sensing my finger. This is the best thing in the resolution and the screen. And the both sides, the front and back, are IP67 certified, and the scratchless and the resistanceless, that you can, if you want to do a scratch over this thing, okay, you cannot scratch this thing. Going to the camera, I'm going to tell you about the battery. It's 3100 mAh battery, and they, I think, launched the wireless charging too, and they advertised that it has a fast charging capacity of 50% in 30 minutes with the quick charge processing system. I think it's of 18 watt. Okay, after that, if we go inside the features, it have the barometer. I like the barometer and the compass too. That is very rare in the phones, and they have the NFC chip too. So let's look at the camera over here. I'm going to tell you about the camera and the ultra wide. I have the 1x. If I go to the 0.5x is the ultra wide angle, and ultra wide angle is showing me that it is giving the best picture of my room. But in my camera, it's not very clear. It's not very clear. But if you see the other side, these are very clear in front of me. Okay, I am showing you the camera that is in the real. I am going to take a picture, then I am showing you that how it works. So the auto lightning factor is over here. Let's take a picture, and if we go to the picture, that is the picture. It is the picture I very like. That is the picture having all the picture qualities, the red and the green, and the back side you can see it's very clear. If I go to the portrait mode, let's take a picture in the portrait mode and the front mode, and let's see how the iPhone 11 takes picture. Okay, let's go to the portrait mode. Natural light, took the picture. So guys, take a look over this picture. It's very beautiful and awesome. I just focused on the floor, that's why he blurred the globe too. But if I focus on the whole thing, it won't do that. Just give me a minute for this. This is the picture, guys. I was saying that this is the thing that they use the AI in this thing. If you focus on the thing, he will blur it will blur the background things. If you go to the front camera, let's check out the performance of the front camera. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, I have the front camera. Just remember one thing, try to remove the dust on your camera before taking the picture. This is the portrait one and the photo one over here. So if you go to the picture, iPhone is very renowned for the picture performance and the picture quality. Okay, this is the picture he took, and I love the picture, and you can see every detail of the picture is in front of me. And if I go to the other thing, that is a portrait mode, you can see that it blurred the sides of my hairs, and I love this thing in the phone. And this was the phone we were talking about, iPhone 11 in the green. Okay, I like the picture too, and the sound quality and everything in it. And we check the face unlock. Let's take a look over it. Things about the phone, it is of the 4GB RAM and the 64GB memory. Okay, and Apple used Apple A13 Bionic chip, that is 7nm plus. Oh my god, 7nm plus is a huge chip for the gaming performance and all things make sure inside. And the processor core is a hexa core, and they named it very beautiful, Lightning and Thunder. I like the name very much. After that, if you go to the graphics, 4-core graphics means if the layered graphics is of maximum value, it cores 2 to 2. If it is higher, then it cores 2 to 3. The same as if it is very large and ultra wide graphic, if you want to play a game and everything, that if you want to record a video 4K having a maximum noise and everything, the graphic cores control everything inside and outside the phone. And the software version is, I think, upgradable to 13.6, and I have the 13.6. and you can see about the price. I think in Pakistan it ranges in non-PTA in 1,20,000 to 1,30,000. Okay, and if you take the phone in the PTA, it will take you to 1,50,000. okay, but the phone worth the range of the price. I don't know the exact rates for the market price in the US and the India. You can Google it, but for the Pakistani, if you don't want to use a SIM card, okay, if you want to play a game and if you want to take a picture, then it's better to buy an iPhone for it. And I would recommend you to buy this phone and use it. And I like the interface. User interface is very awesome. And if you use the phone for 2 to 3 hours, you will gonna get a fan of this phone. Thank you for watching our Bashir Official. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any question and curious about the phone, let me know in comments. God bless you all.